Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix that couldn't sign in error of Google Play Store. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open your Gmail, and then you need to click on your profile picture on the top right. Here you need to click on add another account, click on Google, and once you click on that, so let me enter a pattern, you will find an error here. So how you can fix that? You simply need to go back and go into the settings, and here you need to search in for the app management, and you need to go into the app list, and here you need to search for the Google Play services. So here you can see that you simply need to clear storage, clear cache first, and after that you need to clear storage. And once it is completed, you simply need to go back, and then you need to click on your profile picture, and again click on add another account, click on Gmail, and let me put my pattern first, and then your issue will be resolved, as you can see that. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.